Disney Paris vlog. We're currently in Disneyland Studios, about to head in. Single rider, Siobhan. I'll be seeing you.
Vous voilà. Venez, venez, venez. Suivez-moi, je vous prie.
Oh, look, you can get a little... A shea remy. That's cute.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, I just didn't like the ride enough to get a jumper of it.
Yeah. 35, 36 euro.
Not too bad. I keep saying
99, so you do get your penny back.
You do get your That's so strange how they have the cents here.
The lady in the shop the last day, all the cent coins came back. Was it like 20
cents in 1 cent coins, and we don't use that anymore in Ireland.
I have to get rid of them for...
Yeah.
I don't think like the bank even takes them.
No.
Oh, it's a cookbook.
That's cute.
Very cute.
I'm not sure if I like them.
You don't like the donut ears. They don't affect me as much as they affect you. They're cute though. I haven't seen any of those shops.
No.
Wow, this is a look. It's got teeth in the mouth. But I mean,
Wow.
gold floor, anyone?
Wow.
Si vous souhaitez commander.
No, yum. Yum. Breakfast? Dessert. Breakfast. Is that good? 5. 5. Will we get a selfie? Yeah. We should go there. Oh yeah, next time.
Espera, vale.
Welcome to Toy Story Land. Oh, Paris road trip. Oh, that's not. Oh, and the claws are here.
Thanks, Sally. I'm so excited to check out Route 66 with you. I'm ready to meet it, greet it, and defeat it. Why were all those crazy things built along Route 66? Les attractions au bord de la route. Inside the tram. Thanks. Beautiful and calm.
Vous devriez tous venir ici faire un brin de toilette. Rien pour un bon vieux lavage naturel à l'ancienne.
Oh, you can feel the heat.
Attention, préparez-vous. Elle arrive.
Bonjour tout le monde. J'ai le plaisir de vous présenter ma dernière création, la tour à Fiou.
View tower.
The city of headlights. Seeing the Eiffel Tower was totally worth the drive, man. So. There he is.
We're in the queue for Terra Terror.
Let's see, take 2. I don't know.
So here we go.
Oh yeah.
I'm excited for you to.
I hope I like it better this time.
Let go.
Yeah, I'm not gonna hold on. I think I was trying to like
Put yourself
decide
back down on the
randomly,
seat.
yeah.
Don't bother. Just let go.
Oh. How excited are you? Oh, wait.
I'm really excited.
Huh?
I am really excited. Oh, she's going on again. Getting ready. How worried are you?
Huh?
How worried are you?
On a scale of 1 to 10. 10.
Vous ouvrez cette porte avec la clé de l'imagination. Au-delà, c'est une autre dimension. Une dimension sonore. Une dimension visuelle. Une dimension de l'esprit. Vous pénétrez dans le domaine de l'ombre et de la matière, des objets et des idées. Vous venez d'entrer dans la 4e dimension.
How excited are you? So excited! Oh, we're having a better time. We're having a way better time. I love it. Much better this time.
Way better this time.
Use Justin. I didn't feel like the slow motion because I was really fighting it last time, and this time I was just like, woo!
See, you just have to let it go.
Yeah, it was I said last time it felt like slow motion,
Yeah.
but it's not.
Yeah.
It was because I was like trying to sit on my seat. I didn't want to lift off
Try
my
and drag
seat.
yourself back down onto your
Yeah.
seat. Yeah.
And I was almost closing my eyes last time. It was just like, you know, I was really
You were
fighting it.
squished. You were fighting it.
Yeah, I really
You were
enjoyed it this time.
squished.
I see how you like it.
Oh, I
Yeah,
love it.
I really like that.
I'd nearly get some Terror of Terror merch. Nearly. Nearly. They don't have much though of like Terror stuff. If there's a Terror of Terror magnet.
Maybe you
what is
should get a
this?
magnet.
This is a magnet.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe I'll get that.
Maybe you should get a magnet since you love it so much.
I might purchase.
Oh, it's my main man. There he is. My favorite. My favorite. Mickey Studios. You're good.
Off to Disneyland.
Off to Disney Park.
Epic outfit.
So cool.
And she did a little one of those.
Yeah.
Sit on your
Scout.
shoulder.
Apparently they're out of stock everywhere. We made it to Disney Park. It was gonna rain there, but we were okay. So we're gonna see if we can ride the train.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's from like somewhere like that.
Yeah. A nice little sit down, I think. Entrance. This is the situation. Got off the train at Main Street. We went around, it's lashing rain. Oh, we're going into the Haunted Mansion now at the walk
So
on.
walk on, yes.
Yeah. Oh, we're at the front.
Perhaps you sense a disquieting metamorphosis.
Hélas, les choses ne sont pas toujours ce qu'elles paraissent. Tous les contes, pas de fable Everyone is doing Notre futur marié attend toujours l'homme de sa vie.
The party will commence if you
Warlocks and witches, answer this call. Your presence is wanted at this ghostly ball.
stitches again.
The little stitches are so cute. You can't lie, they're so cute. I found a baby pen. Mine.
Oh, look. Look at these little dresses. Cute. Give us a twirl there, Lorraine. Oh no, look, I found the frozen ones. These are your vibe here, Lorraine.
If it would be.
You have tiny little feet, those shoes might even fit you.
If it would be.
Oh, that is cute. Oh, that is funny.
Oh, look at these. Oh, well, now look at this now.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, this is the job then.
It is.
That's cool. Look, it's everyone from Frozen 1 and Frozen 2.
Oh my god.
Love Frozen 2.
That's definitely going to be expensive.
€60.
Yeah. I like if you want to be Anna.
This could have been cuter. You know, like on a cuteness scale.
Could have been fluffy. Yeah.
That is so cute. Lots of, and he smells like strawberries. Oh, lots of loving there, isn't it? Lots of loving hugs.
I don't know what it is actually. I haven't watched.
Cute baby.
I haven't watched Toy Story 3 in the longest time.
Oh no, smell it.
Oh my god, it still smells like strawberries. Oh, these ones are cute.
That's awful cute.
It is cute.
I really love that one.
15. You're cute. Oh, look at the set. Oh, Stitch.
Oh, they made
The cards. That is so cute.
And so does Mickey and Minnie. Oh, I'm not sure they make. Oh, they do. That's so cute.
That's nice now, like
That is
that.
really cute.
Love
That
that
is really
now.
cute.
What is this one? Oh, it's Bambi, but it has like a little dish on top.
Oh, that's cute. Probably for your tea bag.
Your tea bags? For your tea leaves? I don't know.
Oh, the beanstalk is cute. I've never seen
it in the
Mickey and the
beanstalk?
beanstalk.
I haven't either
I've never
actually.
seen Mickey and the beanstalk, but I like the beanstalk peg.
Yeah, it's cute.
€17.
Nice.
I like them.
A nice mug. I don't know. No, I can't buy a second mug.
You can.
I do like that it's nice and kind of plain, but it's also very cute. I like that it's blue on the inside. These are cute little plates. But these are the fave. Love that spoon and the little
They're lovely.
spatula and stuff. Love that. Now.
Oh no.
Oh, that's the pride one. That's cute. Like that.
That's really cute. That's cute.
That is cute. This one is also cute. What's that in the back? Oh, I saw somebody wearing this earlier.
Yeah.
Stitch. If you were a Stitch fan now, you'd be into that. I think I'd like the Lion King one.
Oh, maybe that's the one I'll get.
Oh, that's so cute.
Yeah. Maybe
I'll have
that's
to get a
the one
30th one as well.
I'll get.
Oh, it's a little photo frame thing. That's also very cute.
Oh, maybe I'll get this as well. Maybe I'll get this one. And I'll get a picture of me and you and print it and put it in.
That'd be cute.
Yeah.
And
€6 or €9.
I'm struggling here with one hand.
Maybe I'll just get this. Or will I get this one?
This is very beautiful.
Snow globes again. Oh, there's loads of little outfits. Those are a cute little backpack. You love a backpack, Lorraine.
Okay, yeah. But it's so cute for like little kids, you know. And then
God, there's loads of stuff. Here, little puzzle, phone covers. There's my mug.
oh, sorry.
Oh, they're a little like lunch bag.
Yeah. Like a little lunch bag.
Should get that now for starting your new job.
That's cute. €20. But expensive. For a lunch bag.
I wonder, does it keep things cold? Like, is it a cold line?
No, it's just like a spillable one.
Yeah. Delighted with my mug though. Happy with that.
Lunch bag.
Oh, I saw a few people wearing these hoodies in the parks today.
Oh, yeah.
Adult
In a train
backpack. Or It's whatever.
We're gonna leave now, go get some food, but I think this is the last time we're gonna be in Disney now, so...
Hi, Castle.
Hi, Castle!
Yeah, let's go get some
Let's
food.
go get some food. And then go home. Yeah. We're in Rainforest Cafe for our last Disney dinner. Before we go, we're gonna go here, then maybe check the shops if we have time, collect our cases, and then go to the airport. So yeah.
Probably wrap up the vlog here, will we?
Yeah, we'll probably say bye to the vlog now. Okay, what was your...
We're doing a picture with kids.
What was your pick today? Going home?
I think it has to be going home.
Yeah, pick
But in the park.
the rain.
The rain.
The rain.
Yeah, maybe the rain. But then the rain wasn't even that bad. Like, we walked in under that little kind of tunnel-y walkway thing.
Yeah.
Frontierland. So it wasn't. Was it Frontierland?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it wasn't. We didn't get that wet. Like,
No.
and it was lashing rain. So it wasn't even that bad. Yeah. And we have rain jackets.
Yeah, and umbrellas. Your feet.
Yeah, that has to be
Feet.
I think now what we did today. We did Terror again, it was class.
Yeah,
But that Terror was my peak already, so for a
We done
different day.
Ratatouille, Terror. We done Cars.
Let's say the railroad. I liked that.
I really liked
I thought
it.
that was good.
Yeah.
I liked Ratatouille, but it wasn't like. I think I'd seen other people's kind of reaction stuff to it, and I had kind of hyped up in my head to be.
Yeah, it wasn't as like, wow.
Maybe it was like where I was sitting or something that like you couldn't really get the smells, or when the fire came on you couldn't get, just got a little bit of the heat.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, so I think my peak is the little train going around. That was cute. I really like that.
Oh yeah, we got on the
Like,
train. That
yeah,
was nice.
and
yeah.
it was like a little steam train and stuff.
Yeah, that was really nice.
Yeah,
that was
I
really
think that
nice.
might be my peak.
Oh.
How about you?
My pitch is that we're going home and that...
What, a park pit?
Oh, a park pit. Can I say the rain?
I mean, if you want to steal mine, yeah, sure.
Well, it also rained on me.
I'll let you steal mine.
It didn't just rain on Siobhan, it actually rained everywhere. Yeah, the rain is my pitch. My peak was... I'm not going to say Terror, but I would say... Well, maybe that would be my peak because I've enjoyed it way more and I'm not afraid to go on it again. No, I think it will be because I'm not afraid to go on it again. And I was afraid to go on it because I absolutely hated it because I was like holding on to the, like dragging myself down, but I just let myself go this time and I quite enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. And I also like going on Manor. I think that might be my peak. Just because I enjoyed it and we got stuck at Madam, I can't remember her name, her ball for a little bit and I really liked that. Yeah.
I completely forgot we did that.
Yeah, we done that in the rain. Yeah.
So
My peak. I'm sad we're leaving, but I feel like we got a lot out of it, and we'll definitely come back. I think there's more fun to be had. There's way more stuff to do. We haven't got a lot. Yeah, we've missed quite a bit.
Yeah. I'm glad we did it at a good pace, though. I think. Like I wouldn't have rushed any more than we did. And we enjoyed it. Like, just the whole point. There's no point like
we really enjoyed
running to things. And there's like queues for things. So if you want to do things like we want to do the Terror, we want to do Big Thunder Mountain.
Yeah,
so like you queue into that kind of thing like all the time.
The chicken Louisiana burger. Enjoy and thank you.
Our dinner's arrived.
Okay. Bye.